I've taken about 1 cup of peanuts, washed them thoroughly, and we're going to soak this in some water overnight for 8 to 10 hours. Now here I'm heating some oil in a pressure pan. I've taken about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. You can see that the shengdana has nicely swelled up as it has been soaked overnight in water. Now first I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohori or rye. Once they begin to splutter, we will add about half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of asafotedia or hing, and half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Give all of this a nice mix. We have to cook this on low to medium heat. Now we'll add up our soaked shengdana or peanuts. We have soaked this overnight, or at least for about 8 to 10 hours. Soaking them helps them to cook faster. So we give all of this a nice mix. Now we're going to add some water, just enough to cover it, a little more. I have used exactly 1 cup of peanuts, so you can use about 2 and 2.5 cups of water. Now we'll add some red chilli powder to taste. I have added about 1 teaspoon as we like it spicy. 1 teaspoon of goda masala or kala masala. Some salt to taste. Again, I've added about 1 teaspoon of salt. Give all of this a nice mix. And we're going to also add some jaggery or gur to taste. Here I've added about 1 heaped tablespoon. Mix it all together. Now I've soaked some tamarind in some warm water for about 15 to 20 minutes and squeezed out all the pulp. So we're going to add a little bit of this tamarind water. I've added about 2 to 3 teaspoons because this is a very sweet and sour gravy. And now we're going to pressure cook this for 1 whistle on high and keep it on low. And here after 15-20 minutes our usal is all ready to eat. It's simply delicious. Please do give this video a big like. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon for updates. Visit my channel for more than 140 recipes. And thanks for watching. Bye. See you in another video.